Welcome to Present Trade tutorial on how to use AI in your PDFs with Foxit PDF Reader. Start by opening Foxit PDF Reader and loading up your file. Ready to dive into the AI features? Head over to the Home tab and click on the AI Assistant button. You also can access AI options on the right side or pop up when you highlight text. Once the AI is opened, it will begin analysing the contents of the PDF. You can then ask it any questions about the document, and it will also suggest potential questions you might ask. Additionally, you can ask the AI general questions in any language. And we even tried it in Arabic. Looking to translate text within your PDF? Simply click Translate, then choose the language you want to translate in. Then, highlight the text you need to translate and it will be added automatically for translation. Click Start and here you have it. But that's not all. You can also summarize the whole document or your highlighted text in multiple languages. You can elevate the writing style of your PDF by selecting the Enhance Writing Style option, then highlighting the text and click Start. You have the option to ask the AI to fix the errors. For that, we made a file that has different types of errors in multiple words, and AI fixed that easily. You can try AI with Foxit PDF Reader and boost your productivity to new heights with Present Trade. Contact us to get your free trial now.